Teen Court, a program that gives teens a meaningful second chance, a program that holds them accountable while also helping them learn from their mistakes and move forward in a positive direction. It is rooted in restorative justice, which means the focus is not just on consequences, but on repairing harm, understanding impact, and helping teens make better choices in the future. Joining us now to talk more is Heather Todd, CEO of Teen Court of Sarasota, and participating attorney Patrick. I am Pillai. You know, a lot easier said than done, yes. My friend. All right, let's talk Teen Court. Heather, take us through a day in the life of when it comes to Teen Court.
Okay, certainly with the start of school, you know, we're ramping up. We do go year round, but I'm going to use the past couple of weeks, just as we get started with school. We will get a call from a school resource officer. We may have a parent that reaches out in need of services. Teen Court in this community handles every first-time offender misdemeanor crime through the Juvenile Delinquent Citation Program. So if a young person is getting in trouble shoplifting at UTC, if they're getting in trouble with a beer on the beach, they get the opportunity at Teen Court. So a typical day at the Teen Court office is a family reaching out saying, my child's acting up, or they got caught and we need to start services.
And why is this option better?
Oh, the young person is not charged, the young person is not arrested, and the young person is not convicted. So super important. I have two boys of my own, and I would want them to come through a program like Teen Court, a nonprofit program that empowers young people with a second chance as opposed to a punitive consequence.
Right, and it really takes a village, so to speak, to put Teen Court on. Enter Patrick Pillai, right?
I am polite.
I am polite.
It's okay.
Patrick.
I'm going to say it a million times so that you understand just how important his job is when it comes to Teen Court. Talk to me about your role and what difference you've made in the program.
It's been my pleasure to serve as a Teen Court judge for about the past 5 years now. I just keep coming back because I believe in this community so much. But I participate as a judge because this is an official 12th Circuit court-sanctioned event. So we have to proceed accordingly. We have to make sure that the rules are followed, that the decorum is proper, and that everything is going as it should in the courtroom. When
you give your final say, as the judge does, what are you thinking about? What do you want the takeaway to be, not just for the person who is quote-unquote on trial, but the kids in the class or kids in the courtroom, everybody learning from it? What is your objective there?
We want, and most importantly, the defendant to realize what they've done is wrong and that they acknowledge that it's wrong from their peers. That's what the whole Teen Court process is. So we'll have the jury members who are volunteering actually tell share their thoughts with the defendant and everyone in the courtroom. So it's kind of everyone understands, hey, what this person did was make a wrong choice. They're not a bad child. They're not a bad person. But they're now they're being given a second chance in the Teen Court process.
You do rely on the community. How can the community get involved in this, and what do you specifically need?
I'm going to piggyback what Patrick said because he means so much in that courtroom. All of our adult volunteers do. They act as mentors. They certainly act as role models. To have Patrick on the bench empowering both the client and those volunteers with his knowledge, the kids just eat it up. It's a really cool process. The young people that come through and volunteer for us, jurors, clerks and bailiffs, prosecuting and defending attorneys, they get Bright Future Community Service Hours, and we have a scholarship program. Last year we gave $40,000 in scholarships away to our graduating seniors.
That's awesome. In our last 30 seconds, what I'd love for you to focus on is you focus on prevention a lot too. Tell me about the importance of that.
We go into all the schools and we share the importance of associating yourself with good people. You are who you hang with. Show me your friends and I'll show you your future. We we also share with the young people what they can do to make a difference in their community.
So one thing I do want to talk about, it takes a village. Tell me about the fundraiser.
Justice and Jammies is around the corner, October 17th at the Westin. Tickets are on sale now at our website, sarasota-teencourt.org. But just a really fun night in your jammies. And 100% of the proceeds go back into the programs, mental health counseling, substance abuse, scholarships. Yeah.
Right. For more information about that fundraiser and about Teen Court, please visit sarasota-teencourt.org, and we're going to be right back.